You guys are welcome to stand up and get a photo while we're not moving. This is all that's left of the neighborhood Tom Cruise hides out in during the film, and that's a real plane, by the way, destroyed just for this scene.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Steven had.
When you first began to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Stand close. Robbie, get in.